When am my baby? Ungowami. Uyatige nami. Ingowakho. Mangibuke ebusweni. Uyangikaza.
I met my husband 2012 when I was supposed to start working at Limco Queen. So my first day, they were introducing me, like going through all the offices, introducing me to the other lecturers. And when I went to the graphic design office, that's where I met my husband. And the first time we met, I could see that there was something was probably going to happen, because the first time we met, I could just see through his eyes.
I used to see her at work, but I never made any move until the other time they invited me to. She was a friend to one of the ladies in our faculty, and she was from Botswana. So the one they invited me for a hiking.
Till when I think we became friends. We even went hiking together, but we hadn't dated till, I guess, fast forward till where it just happened and we just kissed, and that's when we started dating.
And that's how the relationship started, and it developed from there. And then in 2015 we moved in together. I think that was the hardest time, moving in together with someone that you don't know. I think if we were to break up, that's the time we could have broken up.
We broke up 2014. We broke up 2014 for about, I think, 4 months. He broke up with me. He just said he doesn't want to date me anymore. Can you imagine? So he said he doesn't want to date me anymore. But 4 months later, he came back. But even between those 4 months when we'd broken up, it didn't look like we'd broken up. So when he came back that time, we decided we're going to move in together in 2015, and we moved in together. My parents were not happy about it because, of course, we're not married. But one thing that I told myself, was before I marry, I want to stay with that person, because I need to study that person, and all of that. So we started staying together 2015.
Because I used to live my life where we just wake up and do the things that I want to do. But then we move in with someone, next thing someone is here, you wake up, you have to tell her where you're going, you have, there is a lot of communication that we have to make that we are not used to. So during that time, I think we used to fight a lot, but we get to learn and grow and get to appreciate other and compromise on other things that we have to use to do. And then as time goes, we went home, and the issue of staying together without marrying someone also started becoming again and again, and from the parents, you can't be living with someone without marrying her. So in 2018 we decided to get married.
But before we got married, we didn't even think we were ever going to get married. We were just going with the flow, and we finally decided that we're going to get married in 2019. A lot happened in our lives, a lot happened, ups and downs, but when we finally gave our relationships to God, that's when we saw a lot of change. Because even now, when we look back, we think, you know, if we hadn't given our relationship to God, I don't think we would have gotten married. So that's how I met my husband.
2018 we had a baby, and then 2019 we got married, and 2020 we got another baby, and yeah, that's where we are now. And it has been, it has been good for it has been good for me. I think if she was a nagging woman who make me grow thinner and thinner, I could have pulled out a long time ago. But the fact that I'm still here, I think, yeah, otherwise I could have not went back home also.
And I realized why it was love at first sight. I guess it was just, you know, the law of attraction. Finally, that person that I'd always, you know, meditating about and asking God for, he was there. Because we're both artists, he's a painter, I'm a poet, so ngiyahlangan.
Tamed by his words, I'm blind to trees that grow beneath my feet. I said, tamed by his words, I'm blind to trees that grow beneath my feet. I'm not gonna lose you. He's tall and sexy. Umtelemba is the tree that I'll name him after. He's my man, my man. Hamba ke ubatshele mfana kethu la uphuma khona that I am the one that waters you now. And the fruit you sprout is mine, mine alone. Kungako ke mfana kethu ngithathe lesikhathi ngibhala lencwadi ngithi kangibonge lutsandvo lwakho impela ongiko konke. Empilweni yami bengithi bafana bayafanana ngibonile kabafanani. Wena mfana kethu ungiphathisa kwelicanza.
Sure. If you could go back in time and change something different in our relationship, what would it be? Let me ask you a question before I answer it myself. If you could go back in time and change something different in our relationship, what would it be?
If I could change things, I wish I could have got married a bit earlier. I think you know, the marriage life has been good to me, and I think I could have done it a bit earlier, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. For me, if you could go back in time and change something different, I think I said this recently, that there's nothing that I would change. I feel like everything yendege right on time and for a reason. So okay, choose.
Look at your partner in your eyes and share something encouraging to them. It means I'm supposed to say something.
Yes.
You are beautiful.
Okay, my turn. I think you are a great artist. Okay. Third question. What is the greatest thing you have ever overcome in the relationship? I think the greatest thing that we've ever overcome in this relationship is our business that we started, when things didn't go well, it was too stressful, but we overcame it. For you?
The greatest thing I've overcome in this relationship is it's a pendo bola. You know, it makes you feel like a real man. It's Balimbamba.
Fourth question. Do you feel pressure to make our love work? No, I don't feel pressure to make our love work. I know it's going to work. Wena? Do you feel pressure to make our love work?
I think our life is just based on us just being. We are living our life like we are just being ourselves. We are not. We don't have any pressure to do anything or to pretend to live a lifestyle that we can't afford. We are just ourselves, living our life. Living our life, art life, and a simple living. I don't think there is any pressure.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's it for the questions.
Sengilungele ke mfana kethu uyangiteka lemhlophe nobe ngiyagidza. You are my man. The first time I laid my eyes on you, I knew you were the one. Ngavele ngasho ngathi nangu babewe bamva bami. Ngiyabonga imbatho yakho mfana kethu, chubeka ungiphathe kahle. Ingani I am your woman. I'm the very picture of femininity. Romance is my lifeline. My huge, dreamy eyes were made to be in love, and I have this peculiar gift of knowing my needs. I am a woman, your woman. I'm a poet. I'm your muse. You are my man.
Okay. I think I should go first. I wrote this short letter to you, baby. Dear husband.
Sorry, husband.
Dear husband, I just want to thank you for being a loving husband and father to our kids. I am so blessed to have a man like you, and I thank God for that. I will never take your love for granted. 7 years of dating and 2.5 years of marriage, I wouldn't change anything about our love story. Your wife, Mrs. Lehue.
Dear wife, I would like to thank you for being part of my life. You've been a great mother to our to our kids, and a good wife to me. You make my wife while I think since we met there is a direction in my life, and I would like to thank God for that, for our relationship. May God bless our relationship. Your husband, Tapelo Lokowe.
Ooh, steady love. Ooh, steady love. Ooh, steady love. Ooh, steady love. The way that he looks at me when he holds my hand, he wants everyone to know I'm his woman and he is my man. We can talk about anything, he's got nothing to hide. He's not afraid of his feelings, he's not a slave to his pride. He's giving me love so steady, he touches my heart. Now I'm ready. He touches my soul and my spirit. He's giving me love so steady. Love me so steady. Ooh, steady love. Ooh, steady love. I have never met a man that I wanted to be his wife. And then he came along. It's so natural to make a life. Cause he's a perfect compliment. Cause I'm a boss in my world. But when we're together, he just makes me feel like his girl. He's giving me love so steady. He touches my heart. Now I'm ready. He touches my soul and my spirit. He's giving me love so steady. So steady. He puts every other man I've ever known to shame. I just wanna be with him, talk to him, sleep near him, walk with him, be with him. I wanna be lovers and friends and mother his children, make breakfast on Sunday and fight and then make up again. Cause if life's gonna be crazy anyway, I wanna do it with him. Steady love. Hey, ooh, steady love. He's a good father. He's a good cook. He loves his basketball and he loves a good book. I'll tell you how I know he's the perfect one for me. Cause he's a warrior in the streets, but he's a king in the sheets. He's giving me love so steady. He touches my heart. Now I'm ready. He touches my soul and my spirit. He's giving me love so steady. He's giving me love so steady. He touches my soul and my spirit.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you, Swati TV.
I guess it's already financial.
Oy, sorry, guys.
Thank you.
When my baby ungowami uyadige nami ingowakho mangibuke ebusweni uyangikaza yonke into empimbeni iyangichama awena my